Sorry, Jane. I'm accepted deal before about RPL. Maybe,
PRC.
yes,
So
maybe.
you can like provide a certification, which is equivalent to a
Yeah,
degree program.
Yes.
For example,
Professional.
these seminars are
Experience.
equivalent to, or something like ATM also.
Hindi ka pwede magbigay natin.
Yes.
Cannot do that.
Oh,
Cannot.
yeah, yes.
Hindi naman yung kay Che, Philippine law, very strict.
Oh,
You cannot do that.
yes.
They have to enroll.
Oh,
In
yeah.
we have what we call the expanded
Yes.
tertiary
Yeah.
program in
Uh-huh.
which they have to enroll. For example, Dr. Ali is not finished with his
Study
marketing course.
in
So he has to enroll here.
Yes,
He has to enroll here another bachelor.
Yes.
Pero wala tayong for,
Performance.
wala tayong for.
Oh,
Cannot
yes.
pass extension.
In Indonesia, the name is RPL, recognition bachelor name. So for the professional or maybe student not finished in her college, and then it's conversion to renew, and they enroll, but maybe not starting from the first,
Yes,
but
yes, yes.
maybe he can
Graduate school,
study.
you mean graduate?
Yes.
There's
Yeah.
none.
Oh, in here now.
No, we
Okay,
don't
okay.
get that.
Because in the name
We have
is
bachelor but not for foreign students.
on a foreign.
You know,
Only.
if you do that,
Mhm.
we'll be in the newspaper.
Oh.
WWU,
Very famous.
and then the police come down. Cannot do
Wow,
that.
it's very dangerous.
Very dangerous, yes.
It's very dangerous.
That is the other school beside us.
Yeah.
PCU, do that.
BCU. Oh,
Yeah, that's why they're blacklisted.
Oh, graduate.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, students, yeah, they have a problem
Oh.
with
Yung mga certificate courses.
No.
Yes.
Okay, ganito na lang. What we will do probably, we can sit down because you're doctors already. I also sat down with our business students.
Oh.
I said we will offer a series of seminars.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Because you are required to have it published. Shirley, you have to get all the names who were enrolled 2023 to 24.
Mhm.
We need them all to be published. Oh, pero lahat.
Yes.
Lahat ba sila? Yeah. Hindi, Indonesia. At saka lahat.
Ay, meron sila.
Lahat ng
Yes,
graduate.
because I already announced that we
Yeah, pero nag-graduate na sila eh. Ayan,
Sila
meron.
sa akin.
Yeah. So we are
I sent their papers already.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need really to publish it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because Chad will look at it. Let's say, Felina Yang,
Uh-huh.
okay, publish what journal?
Oh.
They will ask, where did you publish it?
Okay. Yeah.
Very strict.
Yeah.
Very strict.
Yeah, very strict now.
Okay.
So many things that we need to, to follow.
Yeah.
If you are exempted now, you're lucky. You're lucky.
Rosemary, they submitted to me. Yung Rosemary and the
Oh,
others,
yeah.
they submitted their papers. Henny,
Oh, yeah.
Bayu.
Pero dapat nakapublish.
Yes,
Publish siya.
Publish.
Publish.
With Scopus, maybe?
Oh,
Yes.
Yes, Scopus.
Yes, oh, lahat. Hindi ko sa dean's meeting natin, kailangan ko sa mga pabanggit ko rin sa akin.
Actually, we can make our plan is publish our dissertation to
Yeah,
the
yeah.
journals.
Yeah. Actually, there are many ways of doing that. You can feature journal like this, you can
Oh.
divide it
Yes.
and have 3 papers or 2 papers.
Yes.
Very easy to do that.
Okay.
Very easy. You can do that.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Your pictures,
Uh-huh.
Dr. Yang will sign it, then you have to go to the